Oh, loving like a cinnamon toast crunch. They're so my favorite. Oh wait, I need to get cereal. Nothing can go wrong with milk. Ooh, is that cinnamon toast crunch? I want me some cinnamon toast crunch. I want me some cinnamon toast crunch. That was like a balanced breakfast. Cinnamon toast crunch. I got some cereal, and now it's time for. Where's my cinnamon toast crunch bowl? Where's the bowl? Where's the bowl? Mario! One peaceful day, and it's still snowing outside. That's a cool power. Ooh, Mario. Or should I ask, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Stealer? What are you talking about, Luigi? Don't play dumb with me. I know you ate my Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I did not eat your Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Who did? Waluigi? Or Goomba? I don't know. But whoever ate my Cinnamon Toast Crunch, who ate my Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Maybe it was me. What? Who said that? It's me, Yellowbird. Who are you? Did you hear me? I'm Yellowbird. I must be on drugs or something. Is a big yellow bird talking to us? Or is just a Family Guy mascot playing as the big chicken from Family Guy? I'm not the big chicken. I'm from Sesame Street. Oh yeah, from that kid's TV show. Anyway, why you ate my Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Well, I was hungry, so I have to feed myself. I want to kill this bird. I'll try. Because you see why they call me the big bird? Because this is why they call me a big bird. Why are you showing your butt at us? Yeah, you like my badunkadunk. You like what you see, huh? I will love you if you get that bird butt out of our faces. That may be too inappropriate to anus bird. Why are you here? Well, I want to move in with you guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Do you know Cookie Monster? Cookie Monster? Yeah. He wanted some of my bird cheeks. My bird cheeks. He wanted some of the birds. What are you talking about? Guess I gotta show you the video. That reminds me of a story. You wanna know why I invited Cookie Monster in my bathroom? I don't know why. Well, I kept a cookie in a special place. And you know what he did? What? I'll show you in a video what he did. Yeah, I told him to go faster, stronger. Ugh! I really don't like this bird. Well, good luck. I'm staying here. Oh, by the way, I hope you like what you see. It could be huge. I hope you like what you see. Great. First, I got transformed into an octopus. Then we had a big fight with Luigi. Now we got a horny bird living in our house. That's just great. Like, what is that bird's problem? He's supposed to be in Sesame Street, aren't in our house. Well, guess what? We are getting rid of it. Whether we like it or not. We're getting rid of that bird. That bird thinks he could eat my cinnamon toast crunch. Well, let's see if he eats this. Luigi, what's the plan? Well, the plan here is Big Bird she's gonna use her smell to censor this. And when Big Bird comes, he'll eat it and choke on it. We just gotta... And then she'll pass out. And we could put her in a box, shift her somewhere far away, so she'll be never seen again. Can we just, ask her to get out? No, she ate my cinnamon toast crunch. I think she's coming. I don't know what that is, but it smells great. Choking. Mother, I see you. I'm coming home. Yes, again. Take that, you stupid bird. Ha ha ha. Oh my god. I can't go to jail. I must give her CPR. Live, live. I got a good idea. I'll give her mouth to mouth. Wait a minute. Why do I feel her tongue in my mouth? You like that, big boy? You thought I was dead? No, I just played around. Bye-bye, suckers. Bye-bye, suckers. I'm gonna kill that bird. I think I'm scarred for life. Now I got bird saliva all over my mouth. This is so disgusting. Luigi, you're right. We need to get rid of that bird. You're right, but how? I got another plan, Mario. Luigi, are you sure this plan's gonna work? Yes. So my plan is, I'll tell Big Bird that there's cinnamon toast crunch inside that toilet. When he comes in there, I'll slam there and flush her down to the sewers. Bird gone. I hope this plan works. But you need to lure him something. Oh, I know the big one. Oh, Big Bird. What do you want? You want round two, sugar? No, please don't. But I see Cookie Monster wants round two. You really mean that? Yes. And this time he wants to do it faster. Oh yeah, I'm coming for you, baby. It looks like this plan's going well. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? He's inside the toilet. And let me get a closer look. Now, Mario. I'll see you. Goodbye. Wait a minute, what are you doing? Bye-bye, you stupid bird. No, please. Problem solved. Thank God, we finally got rid of that stupid bird. You said it. What? How did you get out? I escaped through the pipes, baby! Why can't you just leave us alone? We'll face it, you'll never get rid of me. I'm staying here forever! So if you excuse me, I'm gonna go. So Cookie Monster could see this badonkadonk. He. No. No. We'll never get rid of that bird. I wanna give up. No, Mario. Lizzie, that bird won. He did. But he messed with the wrong plumber. I got a plan, and this time it's going to work. What are you talking about? You'll see. Come, me to the kitchen. I've something to prepare for that stupid bird. But this one is going to work. Are you sure about this? Yes. Okay, the plan. You see all of these? Dang it, I forgot because I was so mad. Oh, wait, cinnamon. You see this pile of Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Okay, Big Bird loves Cinnamon Toast Crunch. If he could smell it all the way right there, then maybe we could capture him in a grocery bag. I know what we're gonna do with that stupid bird. And it's bye-bye bird. I hope this works, Luigi. I promise it will. Oh wait, I hear a big bird coming. Quickly, hide behind that toaster. If we would hear the signal, we'll hear Big Bird come. Like the Roadrunner, we come out and surprise attack him. Shh, I think he's coming. Dun, 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 dun. We just got some cereal. Wonder what it is. Ooh, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let's chow down, kids. And remember, kids, do not get diabetes or heart attacks. Like and subscribe. Okay, She's she's eating the cereal. She's eating the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. On the count of 3, we jump on her. 1, 2, 3. Get the bird. Oh, I got the bird. I got the bird. But he won't stop squirming. Mario, get something else that's gonna knock it out. No. There's nothing I can do. There's no tools to knock him out. No. No. I have no choice. I'm sorry, bro. You made me do this. Oh my god. We just turned her body parts. We saw her body parts. And we murdered her kids. And we turn her legs into these. And we turn insides into that. Oh yeah, because she was pregnant. But the good thing is we don't have to deal with that bird anymore. You said it, Mario. Makila, where are you? Hey Yoshi. Hey guys. Have you seen Gugisha? Who's Melisha? No, Magisha. You know, what? Is she like your imaginary friend? No, she's my pet. What type of pet is she? She's a yellow bird. And she's fat. And she smokes a lot of cigarettes. Double gulp. Luigi, can we talk in private? Luigi, why you did not tell me that was Yoshi's pet? I did not know the yellow bird. I did not know that was his pet. And I did not know it belonged to Yoshi. I'm sorry. Well, we don't want to know what we're gonna tell. Do you realize? Oh my god. What yellow bird? We never seen a yellow bird. Hey, okay. Tell me when you see her. That was a close one. I thought Yoshi was never gonna forgive us. Well, and we just leave a letter from PBS Kids. They want Big Bird back. We're gonna get sued by PBS Kids. Well, at least we have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and snowy outside, and let's go. The end of the episode. Bye from our word from our sponsor. Hi guys, I'm so sorry that this video was so disgusting and violent. So yeah, I had to make it so disgusting and violent. So Happy New Year's and have a good snowy outside.